This RE/MAX Equity Group property video is presented by Nancy Rasmussen. Stunning Craftsman with master on the main in Victoria Meadows in a cul-de-sac. Open great room floor plan with 3,850 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 half bathrooms. Floor to ceiling fireplace, large picture windows, wood floors, office on the main, and separate formal dining. Vaulted high ceilings and plenty of light overlooking the serene backyard west/covered deck, fire pit and beautiful landscaping. Upstairs offers 3 additional bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, gym and bonus room. You won't want to miss this home. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Rasmussen at 503-320-3771.